I'm Nathan Guffey with Guffey Systems. I'm going to take a minute to explain the difference in PivotLine and PivotPoint. We get asked a lot about the difference between the two. PivotLine, as you can see here, this is some of the components. We've got our mobile rail, rolling spray hubs, T-bars with a variety of doors hung on it right now. PivotLine is going to allow you to handle many parts at once, where the mobile rail can be brought into the booth. You can push multiple parts off at once for the finisher to be able to start spraying. Once those parts are done, they can move out in bulk. PivotPoint is going to be same spray hub that's used in PivotLine, but you're going to basically handle each part one at a time. The advantage with PivotPoint is you get to spray both sides at once. So you would hang your door up, you spray it. It's got the 360-degree rotation. So you would spray the part and then you would repeat that process. So the big difference again is in the material handling. PivotLine allows you to process parts at a larger capacity at one time with being able to move multiple parts through the rail for finishing, where PivotPoint is going to be one at a time. So when using PivotPoint after your part's sprayed, you would remove it from the spray hub and onto your stock rack. The stock rack is the material handling and racking solution for PivotPoint. You have 16 fixed mounts on the stock rack, so you can hang 16 parts, or if you want to group parts together on a single T-bar, you can increase that capacity. An advantage with Guffey Systems product lines, PivotPoint and PivotLine, is that all of the hangers are compatible. So if you start out with PivotPoint and you see that you grow or you need to expand, you can add the PivotLine components, and all of the hangers that you have for your PivotPoint are compatible, and you can switch right into your PivotLine without adding any extra cost in your hangers. If you'd like to learn more about PivotPoint or PivotLine, you can reach us at guffeysystems.com, or you can give us a call.